Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. Hope you are all right. You are taking proper care of yourself in the pandemic time of Corona. Kindly take proper care of yourself. Let me proceed ahead. Many of you have asked the question regarding the question paper of CUSET 2020-2024 various programs at UG, PG and research level. Let me inform you that I have already shared many videos regarding the question paper, regarding the syllabus and other related materials with the help of video, as well as I have shared the PDF copy of the question paper in various videos. In this special video, I am going to share an special information how you can download the syllabus as well as the model question paper of various papers, various programs of CUSET 2020-2020 which are going to be offered by the participating universities of CUSET 2020-2020.
In order to download the syllabus as well as model question paper for various tests of CUSET, you can visit the website www.cusetexam.in. After logging in, the home page will be in front of you. Here are the tabs: Home, Universities, Important Dates, Programs. Click on Programs tab. After clicking, you will see the click here to list of programs: undergraduate programs, postgraduate programs, research programs. When you will click here, you will see the list of the programs offered at different level. Because I am going to show you how to download the syllabus and model question paper. What you can do, you can go here program level. You can select any program like category 1 UI for UG and integrated master's eligibility 10+2. Then you select the university. For example, I am selecting the Central University of South Bihar, and after that I am going to click any of the three courses at undergraduate level are offered. I am going to click the BSc B.Ed course. After clicking, the tabs will open in front of you. You can see degree integrated BSc B.Ed program, BSc B.Ed program code UI 030 eligibility. When you will click here, you can see the eligibility in the small window here. You can check the eligibility criteria, and after that university code, test paper code is UIQP01. Syllabus, when you will click here, you can select it. You will see the syllabus part A, part B, syllabus for UIQP01. Here are the details. The detailed syllabus is having total 7 pages. Section 1 physics, section 2 chemistry. You have to prepare from the chapters given in the syllabus. Then section 3 mathematics, then section 4 biology. You have to prepare yourself from these sections, and after that, apart from that, there will be 25 question from English, numerical aptitude, data interpretation, analytical skills, reasoning and general awareness. Further, I am going back, and when you will click on the model test paper, click here. When you will click, the model test paper will appear in front of you. You can see there are total 12 pages. Part A consists of 25 questions. Question number 1 to 10 English, question number 11 to 25 general knowledge and numerical ability. When you will scroll the file down, you can see there are 4 answers for each question. You have to write the correct answer in your answer sheet or mark sheet. So I am scrolling the file down. You can see question number 1 to 9, 10, 11, 12 here. In the next page, you can see question number 13 to 25. So these are 25 questions. This will not be related to your science subjects. Then the science subject part B, section 1 physics, there will be 25 questions. You have to attempt, whether you are going to take a biology or mathematics, you have to attempt the physics section compulsory. This is compulsory. 26 to question number 50 is related to physics. Then section 2 is chemistry. This is compulsory for all who is going to take biology or mathematics. Question number 51 to 75 are the questions related to chemistry. Then section 3 mathematics. Remember, this should be attempted by those candidates who are having mathematics as 10+2 level. Those who are having biology, they do not need to attempt this section. Section 3 question number 76 to 100 are related to mathematics. Then question number section 4 biology. Those who are having biology at intermediate level, they have to attempt this section, question number 101 to 125. So you have to attempt total 100 question. There are 4 options. You have to write the correct option in your own mark sheet. There will be negative marking, so remember that before answering any question. I have already uploaded the question paper of previous year in my other videos. You can see the question paper there. This is only the sample test paper. This was not asked or not guaranteedly this question will be asked in the CUSET 2020 exams.
I hope after watching this video you will be able to download the syllabus as well as model question paper of the various programs to be offered in the academic session 2020-21. Even if you are having any type of question, you may ask your question in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video with others. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, ask others to subscribe this channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get the information about my latest video on time. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel.